Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem minimum deletion to make a string balance. So you are given a string as consisting only of characters A and B. You can delete any number of characters in S to make S balance. S is balanced if there is no pair of indices I comma j such that I less than j and S of I is B and S of j is A. So which means we have to find the point where all the character on the left side is A, on the right side is B. So if it's not, we need to check how many minimum characters we need to delete, and that is we have to find out. So if this is the string, so if it is A, we will keep continue it. Once it is B, at that point we need to take the decision, either we delete the B and keep continue A continuous one, or we will start the continuous string of each character B from going forward from here. So if we take the continuous like full string after first V is the string of V, then we need to find out how many A on the right side. So those A we need to delete. So we need to delete these two A. So one of the way is this, like one case is this, we have to find out all the A. So let's say initial V count is 0. So initially we found out is 0. Then we will find the A of the right side. So this will be B plus the number of A's be found on the right side after this index. That will be the one way to do this, make this string as balance. But we have to find out minimum every possible case. So we can keep continue it. We will try another case, like we will increase B, we encounter 1 V. So B will become here 1, and then we will keep continue it. Once we found another V here, so this case we will check again right side how many A. So if you see, we have only 1 A left. So here initially we got the 0 plus 2, and now we got 1 plus 1, and we will take minimum for in the all the possible cases, and we will keep continue it. And once we reach over here, so the V count will become here is like 2, then here also the solution is 2, then V count will become 3. So if we reach at here, the V, this will become 3. So the minimum all possible cases is 2. So let's take the second example. The second example is BB AA BB. So in second example we have BB starting, then A, and let's say VV. So in that case again we encountered the first V. So either we delete this or we can keep. If we can keep, then we need to check how many A on the right side. So if you see clearly we have 5 A, and then this will become 0 plus 5, which is 5 initial answer. Then B will become 1 over here, and then second V when encountered, this will become 1 plus 5, which is 6. So the minimum among this is still 5. Then we will keep trying it. So A over here. So in that case we will keep continue it. Once we reach at this B, so at this B our initial total V is 2 plus the right side A is 0, so which will give us 2. So hence the overall minimum is 2. So this is the way we will solve this problem. So answer is 2. So now if we do brute forcefully, like at every point we going to check how many A on the right side. So this solution, first we are scanning our string O of n time, and internally we are doing O of n right check how many A. So for every this, so this will become O of n square solution. So for improving this solution, what we will do, in one pass we will count how many A's at every index and right side A basically. If we are at index j, then we should know how many A from j plus 1 to n. So for calculating A, so let's take this same example, BB A, let's say B A B. So we will take the same size array here, the length of the string, then we will check, okay, this is V, then we will mark it 0 because it is not A. Then at this point the B found 1 A, then previous plus, so this 0 plus 1, which is 1. Then again A, so 1 plus 1, 2. So now we found V, so 2, so this will be 2 only. So at this index we have 2A right side, like that we will do, then 3, then 4, then 5, like that. So this way if we store all the frequency right side A frequency, we can easily check. So Here is the solution code. First we scan through and counted the a from the right side to the 0th index, starting from like a of n minus 1, which will be, if it is a, 1, otherwise it's 0. Then starting from n minus 2 to go up to 0 and update a of I with a of I plus 1, and if the character at that index, ith index is a, then increment 1, otherwise add 0. So this way we will created a array of a on the right side. Now we started a result variable. This will be our final answer, and v count is like how many b we encoded till the ith index from the starting point. So now iterate through the characters in our string and check if it is b, then update result by the current minimum of the result or the b count plus or the right side a. So this we keep continue it until the string we exhausted, and in the end, and every time when we are encountering v, we will increment the b count, and in the end also we need to check the case if it is in the end we don't have b, then we need to also check if there can't be possible like the last chunk of character we need to delete. So this is way we check, and in the end before returning we will check. In this case will happen, result will be always maximum if there is no a at all. So in the example like this will be the maximum. So we will return 0 over here because we don't have to delete any character, otherwise we will return the answer. So this is the accepted solutions. I can again submit it, and the time complexity of this solution, you can say we are doing scanning 2 times this string, so O of n, and the space complexity also is O of n, and this is the solution I have done in the running contest. It may be further optimized further, but this is the current solution I can think of in the contest. So if you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.